Central Control Unit Installation. Here is the central control unit. Before plugging anything into the control unit, make sure it is not connected to the battery. We'll put this here just for a moment while we connect everything. Take all the wires we installed earlier and put them underneath here. They're for the light tower, fog lights, and the emergency controller. Now grab the cables on the other side for the lights, fog lights, and horn, and put them underneath also. Take the Y connector that's included in your kit and connect the single end here where it says lights. Take the cable we ran for the emergency controller and connect it here where it says controller. Take one of the tower light cables and plug it into one of the Y connectors. Then, take the other tower light cable from the other side and plug it into the other Y connector. Take one of the sets of wires for the fog lights and take the red wire and insert it into the yellow connector here in the front. Do the same with the other red wire from the other fog light wires. Then, take the black wires from the fog lights and ground them by plugging them both into one of the black connectors on this side of the box. All the black connectors on the side of the box that say lights and radio are ground. Tuck the box in here like so. Now, take this black wire, which is for the horn, and plug it into this red connector here. Take this accessory here that is attached to the bike. It will have a dummy plug inserted into it. Remove it. Then, insert this plug from the box into it. Take these two green connectors and attach them to the speaker wires we ran earlier. It doesn't matter which one goes in which. Here are the positive and negative connections for the battery. Route them underneath like so, and leave them here for now. These wires are from your license plate frame. Connect the red wire to the red connector here. Connect the two black wires to the ground connectors on this side. And connect the last white wire to either one of these white connectors. Time to connect to the battery. Unscrew your positive connection and attach the red wire to it. Then screw it back together. Now, do the same for the green ground wire. Tidy, tuck, or zip tie your cables how you like.